to another tutorial on MATLAB. In this tutorial series, we will be looking into the concept related to electric vehicles and hybrid electric vehicles. In the current scenario or in the market, currently we do have a lot of different varieties of electric and hybrid electric vehicles, and it is a current demand that we should also keep us updated to the technology and to understand how these things works. So in this particular tutorial series, we will be looking into the concept which are mostly dealing with the different design and simulation perspective of different components that are possible to make in a simulation environment using MATLAB. Along with that, we will also have a look into different concepts like how these components are being built or how the design happens if we do change some parameter, then how the system will behave. So in the entire content, we will be looking into different perspective as I mentioned, and here we will be mostly looking into the top level overview. So first we will have a look into different type of electric vehicles, what are the variants of electric vehicles available, what are the different types of hybrid electric vehicles available, what is the classification between different categories of hybrid, so that we will make a clear picture how these things are there in different concept wise. We can also categorize it based on our understanding. Then opposed to that, we will start with the component, which is mostly we will start with the power electronics part. So mostly it will be dealing with the charging system or any power level conversion system that is available inside the electric vehicle. With this, we will also see the regenerative braking part and also how the regenerative is being converted into the electric vehicle energy, which is basically the current that is getting generated from the regenerative brake and how it is charging the battery. Along with that, we will also see how charger work and all those things related to the power electronics. And we will see the simulations of the different components. Along with that, we will also see what are the different standards that are being followed in the development of these type of electronic circuits, mostly power electronic circuits. We will also go to the electric machines close to that. So basically, we will see how different types of motors are being used, what are the different types of motor are available in the market, and what are the key advantages, disadvantages of individual component. Along with that, we will also see how we can control these electric motors with different control techniques so that we will be more capable to understand and develop some more ideas on the electric vehicle area for the motors, and maybe we can try to do some more control applications that are possible for increasing the efficiency of the electric vehicles. So this is one part that we will also cover. We will also see what are the charging infrastructure available. Mostly this will be a theory part. And we will also see what are the available options to do the charging. Along with that, we will also see wireless charging. So how the wireless charging is working in the electric vehicle domain and how we can improve the wireless charge. Currently, this is a topic that is under research, and we can develop a good algorithms or good techniques to do these wireless charging. So next to this, what we will be covering the battery management system, as the electric vehicle is mostly dealing with electrical energy. So we do store the electrical energy into some form, and that storage is only possible with the help of the battery. Along with that, how we are using the battery and how we are managing the battery so that we can increase the age of the battery or can increase the usage of the battery in a more efficient way with the help of the battery management system or something like that. We will see that, and we will also see how it is impacting the performance of the electric vehicle. And we will also see different concept related to the battery management system and how we can manage the things in with respect to the battery. So this is all about the content that we have in this particular series, and hopefully you will like the series. And so with that, let's get started with the series and see how the things are approaching in future. And based on that, we will also update the content and will try to bring more ideas onto the series so that it will be more helpful. Mostly people these days are trying to switch from conventional to the electric or hybrid domain. And to get a basic understanding on these things, it is very important for in an interview perspective or in the knowledge perspective to build the knowledge. So the main focus is that it will help you to build the basic concept related to the electric vehicle and different components related idea so that you can build the entire electric vehicle concept in your head, and maybe you can try to solve something. So that is the main objective of this particular series. So yeah, happy learning MATLAB and stay connected. Let's start with the tutorial series. Thank you.